everyone, my name is Suci Syahira Fauzi. I'm a sixth semester student in the English education program at Universitas Muhammadiyah Bogoraya. Today, I would like to share with you my insight from two articles I recently read. These articles are titled Women in Islam, Some Rights and No Equality and Position of Women in Islam, but published by Ivy Panda. So yeah, I have a main context about my recently read. The first one is article about women in Islam, some right, no equality. Of course, discuss the idea that while Islam grants women certain right, like owning property, conducting business, and receiving education, there remains a significant gap in equality between men and women. The article points out that gender roles are often strictly defined, with men traditionally seen as a breadwinners, and women as a caretaker of the household. This structure, although justified by cultural and religious interpretation, often limits women opportunities in leadership and decision making. Furthermore, the article highlights that stereotypes and Islamophobia have contributed to misconception about Muslim women, like reinforcing the idea that they are oppressed or lack autonomy. However, this perspective fails to consider the voices of Muslim women themselves, who may view this like a practice as a part of their faith and identity. And then the second article of Position Women in Islam take a slightly different angle. It emphasizes that while women are often seen domestic roles, Islam does provide them with right to own property, receiving inheritance, and engage in business independently. The article also discussed the hijab, like that I wear today, a common symbol associated with Muslim women, contrary to the Western belief that it is a form of oppression. Many Muslim women see it as a symbol of empowerment, modesty, and personal choice. This is perspective highlight that the role of women in Islam is not solely defined by external view, but also by the understanding and belief of the women themselves. So, thank you for listening to my reflection on this insightful article. I hope this discussion has given you a broader perspective on the role of women in Islam. Oh my god, my voice is lost.